count the dollars.
Okay.
What'd you get?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Why do you think there's $4? How old are you now?
4.
So you get $4.
$4.
Wow. You can pick something out at the store. How fun.
Wow, what did you get?
$4.
Were
Who
they
is
in
that
a card?
from?
Let's see if there's more dollars. No more dollars.
I think
Okay,
it's
who
probably
is the
the
card
4.
from?
Hey, what is this thing? What?
Oh, is it stickers?
Yeah.
But wait, let's see. What does the card say? It says,
Somebody special is turning 4. Hope God has lots of fun blessings in store.
and then what does it say over there?
Happy birthday.
Love.
Love Granny. Love Papa.
Oh, that's from Granny and Pop Pop.
Can you look at the video and say thank you, Granny and Pop Pop?
Thank you, Granny and Papa.
Wow, what a fun card. You can do stickers too. Isn't that fun?